Today we're going to look at how to add notification observers to your classes so that they can listen for notifications in your application and make changes as necessary, just as constants that we can use later on. And now we want to create the class that will listen for the notifications. In order to listen for the notifications, we have to add an observer to this class. So let's create an extension and add our functionality there to keep it separate from the original class. And here we type notification center.default. And then for the code, all we're going to do is call self.printDescription. Now let's create a snack and then post our notification and see what we get. Command-Shift-Enter to run. And you'll see we have 2 boiled eggs. Let's add another snack and see what happens. And then run. You see that we got 2 boiled eggs. Then we set our coffee. And then we posted the notification again. And our egg and our coffee snack both heard the notification. And if we try to add a second notification here, and we don't have any observers in either of our snack classes listening for this notification, so nothing should actually happen when we post this. And let's put a print statement in here just so that we have them separated out. So we ate the 2 boiled eggs, and then we had 2 boiled eggs and another coffee, and then we ate everything, and then our final notification was posted. We don't have any listeners or observers for this notification, so it just goes to the wayside and is not used. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful, and have a great rest of the day. Thanks for watching.